What we see, and this has happened probably for the last 30 years, there's been a very big reluctance to look at hard savings on digital transformations versus soft savings. Well, what I mean by hard savings is cost savings, real dollars you don't spend, or increased revenue, or you can actually see throughput from a machine that is actually, putting out X amount more than you did before. Today, you need to concentrate on those hard metrics. The other piece is change the customer experience. Right? How do you have a relationship? The only time you talk to an end customer is typically when they have had a bad experience with your product and they're not happy and they want to complain. Imagine if you could actually have an experience and a relationship throughout the cycle of purchasing, experience during actual use, asking for feedback in a productive manner versus I call it heated conversation. The other thing that we'd like to do also is we're investing time and money into these AI engines. Take a look and try and figure out what is the best measurement from a usage and output that you're getting from these new tool sets. Because what we find sometimes is we have a scattering of new tool sets when it comes to automation, when it comes to AI, and we really don't understand which ones are providing the best value. So let's go back and kind of do the right thing with the right information so that we can concentrate and kind of make sure we don't proliferate our portfolio just because it's new technology, but let's try and drive the business result as we go. The last piece that I'll say from a adjusting perspective, I like to do the quarterly reassessment. You have to reassess where you are. You have to be able to be nimble and agile as you go. When you look at, don't be stubborn. You got a roadmap. You created a 3-year roadmap. It's year one. You're 3 months in. Things aren't going right. Don't keep going down the same road. Figure out how to do it, because if you got the right metrics, you can figure out if you're going in the right direction or not, and then readjust as you go. I suggest quarterly reviews. I look at both from an output, but as well as, and I keep harping on it, and I will, making sure it's a cross-functional team that works on things, because what I find, a lot of these initiatives are started in pockets. You want to eliminate the pockets as you go, as you find them, and then bring them to create the new cross-functional team. And then from there, make sure that you have senior executives understanding the results you're going to get, because sometimes there's a layer between the folks that are doing the work, getting the results, but the senior management is not seeing the results. Make sure the communication aspect of this is taken seriously when you want to be able to say, here's what we're doing, here's the results we're doing, here's the next things we're going to go after.